Adechibia any emo and some dona and a coso or my matches or what see a pier, not as a young one say into so a coso. It will all crowd theatres of more edgy, no one so what here, and just a told me a year after see a piano grumble, now and cheddar and draw a year will come. Now and then the video be about the Pimo or Mapuno as such as said, yeah, our yeah. Na elkoso na se de mamuni no eba na aware dia e ma dia ya na yeta late e wo ya wani ene be ma betima kwakot na so de ma twen wo ba basia atwen a ni makeup ne nyoma wo be ye enko anu etimi take no hours ansa no kwakwa kopiemu e wo ye asori dem won na no bi na che se e course a couples yi de che se omo ye 5 minutes late o enye se obi a 1 hour 30 minutes bi anase e bi a 20 minutes bi 30 minutes like it drew an hour just 5 minutes late enu nti so for ni sini ko kwa pai enya de se wo be hira aware no esu ebim na asori aside me de e course e Fulfilling Word Foundation Church. I just say, I want to for Penya or that. Echemu say, couples he etimi about late 5 minutes late in kwa ede aware wish that a year as ebim and I will quiet a share them. I want you to man just say, at my own convenient time. One more a bed and every shira wedding is now wedding is a wish so. Then yes, will be shira so I sorry them will be shira so a year in the office. Na papa go share in the office and as call ye a freeway ye wedding premises on 1 hour in nature say or ban wo kunu wo monte so ko panyi enka na eno na je say e di esun oba wunzo oba e man so dem wo wedding day just say ye wo mu day ankasa aye wo ne ba asase so say ne birthday na be celebrate ama na ni agya ade ama na ni gbiem pam ene say wo ware ne de ka we ba be hye ne sane afre ne say mrs ye did a year will be dear Baba to so and only just a media back one a magic one enya one more assets na emu na awako yes so penny echi say enam say wo ma ballet nti want me ehia aware so na tata 2 year ma mi eni eye esun a video mutimu se ni kunu enso so e console no e chiche eye ne re na omo tina here for almost an hour pastor no enye na adin say wo ban and I just wo so eye wo mo adin say ene wo mo pem baby edi wo mu ti ayede afa se asori dem wonu ana yentimi ema wo mu entiki wo mu vows dia wo mu ekokopie mu e wo eye hotel na chese wo mu ede wo mu vows no ehihye so a wo mu ko ware se okunu ene oyire e wo aso eye hotel ho na ebusia fom man ko hwe video no embra na eba ebeto aso
or because he's assistant Holy Spirit or something. God help us. Madam, go to your head before you talk to anybody here. The pastor should do reform now. It's very, very simple. So this is the scene, oh. This is the scene. That is the groom. That's the groom. I'm trying to get the shot of the groom because the couple came 3 minutes late. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This man is trying to hold me so that I won't do video. He's a member of the church. Those are the members of the church that were trying to fight us. Nobody can fight us here because this is my fellow photographer. This is the photographer, Samuel Ifeanyi. He's the one that wanted to fight. He's the one that wanted to fight. That's the church member. He's the one that's stepping into the church right now. This is the bride. She's in tears. She's in tears. She's in tears because of what this pastor has done. Can you imagine what's happening? He's now begging the bride after doing what he did just now. Man, I'm going to remove a hair that you put on your head since 2016 before you talk to me. Remove that hair that has been on your head for 4 years. Shift. Get out of my face. I can't even look at you. You want me to cry? What's that? Eh? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. You ain't buying me phone. Right, the video they on.
That's my face show.
Face show down.
Go do that man face, make you show them.
Mommy, say it again.
You don't chop in white.
Good.
You don't chop in white, you don't kill pastor anything.
All of that.
Good.
In the name of religion.
This is a fraud. This is a fraud in the church. Right. What's that? Eh? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. You ain't buying me phone. Right, the video they on.
That's my face show. That's my face show.
Face show down.
Go do that man face, make you show them.
Mommy, say it again.
You don't chop in white.
Good.
You don't chop in white, you don't kill pastor anything.
All of that.
Good.
In the name of religion.
This is a fraud. This is a fraud in the church. If you want to react this way,
This thing not funny.
This place is one forever.
I'll take another shot of the pastor. What the situation is that the couple came 3 minutes late, and then the pastor decided to keep us here for almost 1 hour. After keeping us for 1 hour, he said they will not get married they said they will not get married inside the church building, that they will get married in his office, because he is Assistant Holy Spirit. He's the Assistant Holy Spirit, and he can decide wherever the altar should be. That's the couple. They are leaving the church premises now. This is fulfilling World Foundation in Abloma, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Can see the scene. Can I say anything more? Okay, the video continues. One of the church members just tried to harass the sister of the groom. What am I doing? I shouldn't video. Now you buy me phone. You get this kind of phone? Record you very well.
For radio, while when you saw what we did a year, a call, a swore, all shares of a penny and Montua were 2 years. Yellow Pansua and a babwa, sending a bear and Maya, a woman, a Pia, and as I say, woman is a woman for one wedding day. A bit me abwa, I'm on meeting a woman, and I said, and Yellow Pansua, and because I had Danny, and no Nipanos or baby and Temprampona, and no maybe bit me about a year or see a pine bit me about a cow, did be bit me as I know, Croneba, Emma, no bit me a delay a young woman, and Muntin, software all right. Say, Ultimate Nipan 1 month into which our reign so one Casawako and Mubujoa, and San Obisha a year our reign soon as a wish that's a crampuna. And one for yes, sorry, the woman pardon, a shower on Madophonia Bushia, a shower on a Ubisha's name, a office and a Ubishan, a no pansua and na PMO and so and a year, say a man so and I say our for a brief say, yeah, papa, you take all the time, meaning I say because we say baby when you said you here and yet that day no more friend I will be and a back come to the sense of we say and went to what the Kawane air show and I said into one and don't fuck I want to end show and with you be say a my answer was say a Bruce Hammer I also a kind oh you made the said a baby with my cocoa our Fushiana and I sorry them one and ama a soft form to me a shot a year as one. Say the normal echo, once watching Chefa and Semino, Fabra, it will too much GH comment section. If you like the videos, now share all the social media platform as so. A case kappa and the Dasanen, Messiah Eddie Asia in Maham.